Fine. Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. I am Aaron Sebastian, register number URK25AI1085, and the topic I am going to explain right now is the design of shift registers for sequential data transfer, mainly serial in serial out, that is SISO, or serial in parallel out, that is PISO. Okay, let's move on to the construction of SISO circuits. For the construction of SISO, we need the following component. We need one counter free running, two data type converters, one cast boolean, six constants, one pulse generator, one multi-port switch, and in the multi-port switch you have to change the number of data ports into 4. Only then you can insert values. And you need 4 D flip-flops, 2 scope and 1 display. And you have to open the scope, double press on the scope, close that for a while, and press scope here, and number of ports should be 6, so we can insert 6 values. Okay, and after that you need to use a manual switch to change the value, and the connection should be made to 1, not to 0. You have to look at that. Okay, after making all the connections as shown, you have to press run, and after running it will give a value of 0, and you have to open your scope. Wait a minute. Okay, after opening the scope you need to go home, you need to select display grid and press how many output, like how many output should be shown. So I need 4 of them, so I press 4, it will come like this. Normally it will be shown like this if you don't select anything. After selecting 4, it will come like this. So you can see if your scope comes like this, that means your output is correct. So let's move on to the construction of PISO circuit. Okay. For the construction of PISO circuits, the components you need are, you need one thing called step, and you need how many? 2 data type converters. You need how many? 12 constants and 5 switch, one multi-port switch with a number of data ports would be 2. One cast boolean, 6 AND gate, 3 OR gate, 1 NOT gate, and 4 D flip-flop and 2 scopes. That's all you need. And after like making all taking all the components, you need to change the value of scope to 5. Number of ports should be 5 in the scope. And another thing you have to look is, you need to make sure that the manual switch connection here should be made to 1. Here it should be 1, 0, 1, 0. All the connection should be made as per, otherwise you won't get the correct output. This diagram may be a bit hard to understand, so you can refer to this diagram. It's a bit easier to understand. Okay, after making that connection, you have to change your stop time to 5, and in the pulse generator, all these changes should be made. I didn't mention in the last one. The same should be made in the last one too. Okay, and press OK. Now go back to simulation, change the stop time to 5 and press run. Now open your scope, and output would be, again you should go home, grid, display grid to 4. So the output will come like this. If it comes like this, that means your PISO is also correct. The two real-world applications for PISO circuits are serial data transmission and reading multiple switch closures into a single multiprocessor. As for SISO circuits, the two real-world applications would be a delay line and in data storage and retrieval within digital circuits. So thank you for watching. Thank you and have a great day.